poisoned? Who knows? Link Housing Association, you need to investigate and you need to take action. How long has this been going on for?
It's been going on for 3 years, ever since I moved in.
3 years. It's the first time I've heard about it. I'm on the new estate just off Pentrabane Road, and Link is responsible. You see the gas coming out there, or the vapour, whatever it is. I don't know, I'm not a gas fitter, so if you are a gas fitter, get in touch. When the other one's on, sometimes when the wind's blowing, it all goes up there. And with the windows open, the resident says that it's coming into his property and he has to close the windows. You said you've been suffering physical...
Absolutely.
Put the microphone up.
Some nights I'm waking up and I'm vomiting.
Vomiting?
I've
What else?
got a sore throat. My
Sore
eyes are stinging.
Eyes singing?
Dizziness.
Dizziness?
It's just impossible to live in the flat.
Right, well, we've got to look at those symptoms and see what that points to. But this is a massive shout out to Link Housing Association. 3 years. Now, if this man is suffering anything serious, or it could be serious, depending on what's in those fumes, you guys are going to be in a lot of trouble. I'm putting this out on social media because I'll be honest, mate. When I write letters, I barely get replies. I make phone calls, no one picks up because they're all working from home and they're all in Tesco's. What works is social media videos. Link Housing Association, I'm on to you. I want some answers. Diolch yn fawr. You all right?